you want to go and visit us, and our website is crystalsrockearth.weebly.com. It's a work in progress still, but you can go there. You can check out crystals. I think I've started a blog there. There's also the place where you can sign up for the healing work with Sekhmet as well, because it was her that actually instructed us to go full steam ahead with selling crystals. What am I going to talk about today? I want to talk to you about rose quartz. The reason I'm going to talk to you about rose quartz is because it was the first crystal I ever bought. Okay, so rose quartz, it's pink. It's lovely pink crystal. It's quite rare that you get like you do with quartz, like clear quartz. Let's see, get my face out of the way. So with clear quartz you quite often get points. It's very rare you get that with rose quartz. So you usually get them like spheres, or these are really cool discs, which are really good if you want to strap them to the body. They're perfect for that. Yeah. These are amazing. They're very gemmy, rough pieces. We actually sell these on our website, that and the large polished tumbles as well. These are amazing. Just check that out if it will focus. They're truly gorgeous. And these actually, they remind me a little bit of Turkish delight. This is a big don't drop the crystals. This is a big piece, or biggish piece of rose quartz. I cannot remember where I got this from, because the first bit of rose quartz I ever bought was it was a tumble. Beautiful stones, like this bowl for example. Amazing. It's a gorgeous bowl. Okay, so it can come as rough pieces or tumbles or carved pieces. So rose quartz, what is rose quartz good for? Rose quartz is amazing for your heart chakra. Okay. From my own personal experience, the reason, I have no doubt in my mind, the reason that I was drawn to rose quartz was because my whole heart chakra, my whole heart center was shut down big time. And the first time I held rose quartz, it literally buzzed in my hand. It was like the old pages, you know, it was vibrating in my hand. I'm like, whoa, oh, I better take that one home with me then. So it is quite amazing for healing the heart chakra. I mean, personally, I advocate using crystals for the physical healing as well. Some people don't. I use them myself for physical healing, so I'm always going to say to people, yep, stick them on your body, literally, either with a crepe bandage or with, you know, zinc tape. However you want to attach them to your body, it's perfect. So with rose quartz, with these discs, that's why I love these discs. Yeah. So if at the moment I'm going through the change, so yeah, if I get really weird stomach cramps. So what's really interesting, just a little sideline, you know, when you're a teenager and you're you know, obviously female, and you start your period, it's just like the stomach cramps are almost the same when you are getting to the end of it. It's really weird. Just a little side note. So what I do is I stick one of these, you know, around my second chakra. Yeah. And it gets the pain. It takes the pain away. Yeah. Amount of times I have stuck these discs on my body, lost count. Even when I broke my wrist 2 years ago, I was sticking Faden quartz down the cast to help with the healing. So absolutely you can use the crystals, rose quartz, for any kind of healing. You can, if you're female, you can place it, put them in your bra even, I've done that many times. Yeah, amazing for healing the heart. It's really good if you are struggling to find that self-love, that unconditional self-love. Instead of beating yourself over the head with a blunt instrument, get a piece of rose quartz, yeah? And have it around you. Sit with it. Meditate with it if you meditate. Sleep with it. Hold it in your hand while you're asleep, or put it under your pillow, or put it under your bed. You could grid around your bedroom. You could grid around your house with rose quartz, yeah? There are no limits here, only your own imagination. So rose quartz is amazing for the heart center, yeah? It is also said that if you are looking for your soulmate, for want of a better word, if you place a piece of rose quartz next to your bed on a table, then that will help to align them with you, yeah? Providing, of course, that, you're already in that place of self-love. Otherwise that doesn't work. So rose quartz, amazing for the heart chakra. Like I say, I will always advocate crystals for the physical healing as well. Some people don't, but I use them myself, so of course I'm going to say yes, use them for healing. Like I say, we sell these, the quite gemmy rough pieces. We sell these. There'll be a link below to our eBay. I think I can probably share the direct link actually to the rose quartz. So we've got these for sale, and we've also got tumbles for sale as well. I think that's all we have in our rose quartz. Yeah, rose quartz, amazing crystal. So like I say, you can come and visit us over at crystalsrockearth.weebly.com. I'm going to be posting in here at least once a week, if not more, with crystal goodness. So the idea on here is to give you, information on crystals, but also share with you, the crystals that we have, because we've got some amazing crystals just recently. And also to obviously share the ones that we actually sell as well, on eBay at the moment, but possibly elsewhere, we don't know yet. Work in progress. So yeah, rose quartz, amazing heart healer, and bringer of love. Amazing crystals. I think that's it. Okay, so I'm just going to say crystals rock, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.